Hello everyone, now continue to model the column grid line E3, E2A. It is the same with the column grid line E4. As I showed you previously, how you can use the column property and seal it for the future use about how you can create and seal column in a list, column and seal. In place and rename the column. It is easy to model for the future modeling the column with the similar or with the same type, the concrete strength and alignment. And now the second method, we use the review and copy properties. Now I don't want to use the property column list in the property. Don't want to use a column in list. We have one column in list C50 multiplied with 40 centimeter. The column, come back to model, click on the column, and I use the column and select on the intersect grid line. You see here is the same with the column E5. The column E2A is the same with the column E4. So in the case, you can click on the review view, copy property, select the source and collect the same as the source, the second column. So now you see here the column grid line E4 and column grid line E2A is the same. We copy the column property from the source column to the new column. It is easily to model and copy from other column, the reference column here. Now everything is the same. The alignment, you can check for the alignment, concrete strength, concrete class orientation 90 degree is the same with the source column. Concrete class C40 50 MPa and nominal concrete strength 30 millimeter. Yeah, everything is the same for reinforcement. Type 2 link bar and the main bar. It is how you can use and copy the property from one column to other column. So you have to correct the top level to the 16. Click on 3D to check. Yeah, everything is the same for those two columns. It is how quickly you can copy and paste the property. Thank you for your watching.